Fitting a lampshade. If you need to use a step ladder, make sure it is steady and safe. If you are unsure, ask someone to hold the ladder for you. Start by switching off your light switch. First, remove the light bulb by holding the top of the fitting with one hand and carefully turning the bulb to unscrew with your other hand. Then unscrew the plastic skirt. Now place the shade into place and screw the plastic skirt firmly back into place to hold the shade. Re-screw the bulb into place. Now check your bulb is working by switching your light on again.